Hello students, welcome to the class. In the previous class, we have discussed about the tuberculosis. What are the reasons for tuberculosis? What are the types? How we are going to prevent the tuberculosis? The treatment available for tuberculosis. These are the things we have discussed in the previous class. Now we are going to discuss about the sexual transmitted infections. Then what is the meaning of sexual transmitted infections? Sexual transmitted infections are a group of communicable diseases that are transmitted predominantly by sexual contact and caused by a wide range of bacterial, viral, protozoal and fungi agents and ectoparasites. Sexual transmitted infections are communicable diseases. These are not non-communicable diseases, but these diseases are only communicable through sexual contacts, and these are caused by wide range of bacterial, viral, protozoal and fungi agents, also ectoparasites. These are the pathogens, those who are carrying the sexually transmitted infections. Sexually transmitted infections are also known as sexually transmitted diseases or venereal diseases because they are not disclosable. They are widely closed to express. Those who are affected by sexually transmitted diseases are not willing to express their pain even with the physician also. Because of that, they are called as venereal diseases. It's very rampant where the sexual contacts are unrestrictable. This is more common in the communities where sexual relations are non-avoidable, uncontrollable, or any regulations are not put in, or the persons those who are practicing polyandry, etc. Few types of STIs are gonorrhea, syphilis, chancroid, genital chlamydia, genital herpes, human papilloma virus infection, LGV, HIV/AIDS, human immunodeficiency virus, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. These are the main sexual transmitted diseases and more commonly non-expressible. Those who are affected by the sexual transmitted diseases are very timid to express their pain. Then causes for STIs. What are the reasons behind STIs? Sexually transmitted infections can spread through sexual contact, use of unsterilized drug needles, from mother to baby during the childbirth or breastfeeding, blood transfusions. Sexually transmitted diseases are mainly transmissible through sexual contact only. Otherwise, apart from sexual contact, there is other chances are there. Use of unsterilized drugs needle. The persons those who are addicted to drugs can commonly use unsterilized drugs, where the sexual transmitted infections are common in the persons those who are using unsterilized drug needles. From the mother who is affected from the sexual transmitted diseases to the baby while during the childbirth or during the breastfeeding. And lastly, blood transfusion. Blood transfusion is also a reason for sexual transmitted diseases. Proper diagnosis and screening has been made by the physicians while blood transfusion is happening, but sometimes it may be neglected. Because of these, the sexual transmitted diseases like AIDS or HIV can easily transmitted from one person to other person while blood transfusion is taking place. Then what are the symptoms? Symptoms are very common, but very common to other diseases also, while we are only get to know about the proper diagnosis only. The main symptoms of sexual transmitted diseases are painful urination, lower abdominal pain, pain during sexual contact in women, bleeding between periods in women, testicular pain in men, thick, cloudy or bloody, white, greenish or yellowish discharge from the vagina or penis, pain or burning sensation when urinating, painful swollen testicles, painful bowel movements, anal itching, strong vaginal odor, vaginal itching or irritation, itching or irritation inside the penis, fever and shaking chills. These are the common symptoms of sexual transmitted diseases or sexual transmitted infections. Apart from these usual symptoms, there may be a common symptoms which are common to the other diseases also, like headache, sore throat, swollen lymph glands, rash, fatigue, diarrhea, weight loss, cough and shortening of breaths, soaking night sweats. Opportunity infections are also common in sexual transmitted infections. Then what are the preventive measures to prevent the sexually transmitted infections? Sexually transmitted infections can be prevented through safe sexual contact, use of sterilized drugs needles, taking precautions during the childbirth, taking precautions during the blood transfusion. Apart from these, there is no chances of controlling these type of infections. We have to maintain safe sexual contact, use of sterilized drug needles, then taking precautions during the childbirth, taking precautions during the blood transfusion. These are the preventive methods. What is the treatment available for STIs? Counseling. We need to counsel the patients, those who are affected by the sexual contacts, sexual infectious diseases, because they are already suffering from the diseases and not willing to express the pain between the physician to the physicians as well as the counselor. In that time, we have to give our hand by counseling or building a rapport with humanitarian ground. We have to counsel the patients. General examinations, physical examinations, speculum examination for women, abdominal and pelvic examination for women, screening of blood, urine, smear, discharges, tests, confirmatory tests, partner management, pregnant parent partner management, medication for symptoms, medication for opportunistic symptoms. These are the treatments which are available for treating the sexual transmitted infections. Sexual transmitted infections are very common in the persons, those who are unaware or unhygienic in the sexual contact and the using of unsterilized needles as well as the blood transfusion, and during the birth the mother is affected by the sexual transmitted infections may easily transfer to the child also. These are the things this class we have discussed. Hope you understood properly. In the next class, we are going to discuss about another communicable disease. Okay, thank you.